Does Twinkles like Ray Mond? Yes, he
What?
does. Does Twinkles like Ray Mond as homies, or does he like, or does he like her? It's gonna be the second one. Uh, oh my gosh. Okay, I tabbed out for 1 second, and you guys typed so much. Okay, hold on. Oh, Twinkles has a crush. Let's go, Team Twinkles confession. That Twinkles, I wouldn't mind that arc. So he's getting romantic feelings. Will Twinkles ever fight for Ray against Chatterbox? I don't know. Because Twinkles considers Chatty as a very good friend. I really want Twinkles hard. Twinkles X Hiccups all the way. New love interest is gonna be so funny. Man's funny with the back solo. Um, Twinkles would be the friend that will step back for his best friend. He's a nice guy, and the nice guys finish last. Unfortunately, joking. I don't know. They're not wrong though, you know. I'll go Twinkles for reals.